Everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. So I feel like in the past 2 months I've gathered a lot of new products and I've been trying out a lot of new products, so I have a lot of things to go through. Let's just go ahead and jump right in. I'm gonna start off with the makeup first. Two things that I'm so excited for are the new Dose of Colors like lip sets, and Alistair's hanging out with me, so if you guys hear like a little monster in the background, that's him. So Dose of Colors came out with lipstick sets, and Stone and Truffle are names of their two most popular colors, I believe. I used to be Team Stone until Truffle came out, and I just love the way that Truffle looks on me. So these two used to be my favorite. Not that I don't love them anymore, I just used it all up and I just never really repurchased. I'm planning to do a lip swatch video on my Instagram. It comes with a lip liner, a liquid matte lipstick, a gloss, and their latest formula, which is a velvet, and I'm actually wearing the velvet one on my lips right now. Next up is the Jaclyn Cosmetics, the Flash palette, and I was actually debating about this for a long time, you know, just because of like all of the controversy, but I was actually really interested in this one because it seems like it's really good quality. This is how this one looks like. So being that this is a haul video and not a review video, I'm not going to go in depth about most of these products. I'm just literally showing you guys what I bought, and I always get a lot of questions like, oh, what do you think about this product? And a lot of these I haven't used long enough to really give you guys like a good review, so I don't really know. If you guys are interested in like a more in-depth video about any of these products, leave me a comment down below or follow me on Instagram, because I again will most likely be posting like my further thoughts on there. I also picked up some Dose of Colors lipsticks, and I bought these during their like Christmas sale. I got the color Nude, Mood, and Flirty, and these are actually very similar to Truffle and Stone, but very different in their own ways too. And they actually had two other colors that came out. They came out with 4 colors as like a collaboration with BoxyCharm, I want to say. And I don't know, I just felt like those colors were really pretty, and I just wanted to try them out. And you know, it was before I knew that they were coming out with the Stone and Truffle, so I went ahead and bought them anyway. I don't know where the other 2 colors are. So I only had these 2, but the other 2 are more of like bold colors, so these are like the neutral nudes. Then I picked up a few things from Ulta, and I got the Eylure London eyelash glue, and this was actually recommended to me by one of my followers on Instagram. So if you're watching this, shout out to you. Thank you so much for recommending this, because yeah, I don't have an eyelash glue that I love, and I don't love this one either. It works, you know, like it's not gonna be my favorite, but I'll probably repurchase just because it gets the job done. I mean, I don't know if I'll ever find an eyelash glue that like I love, that I'm so loyal to. And then I picked up some things from NYX Cosmetics, and I got the Angel Veil Primer, the Born to Glow Foundation and Concealer. I did a review and application of this on my Instagram, so make sure to check that out. And I'm actually wearing this right now. And then the last makeup product is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation, and this one's actually a little too dark for me. I've been wanting this for the longest time. I never purchased it because of the hefty price tag, but I decided to just get this because I had a friend who was working at Sephora, so you know, that 30% is a lot. I want to say this is like $60. I have to go exchange this for a different color. Alright, so moving on to skincare. I'm gonna start off with this product. This is from the brand The Ordinary. I was looking for products that help regenerate skin, and The Ordinary popped up a lot, and it's also super affordable. I want to say it's about $6, and The Ordinary overall is a very affordable brand. I am planning to incorporate it into my skincare. So this one is the FOREO Facial Cleansing Brush. When my husband first saw this, he was like... Anyways, I've seen this a lot at Sephora, and I've just been very curious. I feel like this is almost more sanitary. This actually was sent to me by the brand, and I'm not being paid to rave about it. I'm not being paid to talk about it. This is just my honest opinion. When I first received it, I just tried it and I was like, this is ridiculous. So I just feel like it didn't do anything special for me. But after going on the FOREO YouTube channel and looking at their videos, I got a better idea, and I've been trying it out for the past week and just giving it like a better chance. And I really do love the facial massage. You know, I learned how to like move it, because at first when I was using it, I just didn't know how to use it around my nose. So I'm like, well, my nose is dirty, you know, the sides of my nose are dry, I need it there, and I just didn't really know how to maneuver it. But after watching the FOREO videos, I was like, oh, that's how you do it. Next up, I picked up the Tatcha. I don't even know which set this was, but I've been wanting to try Tatcha for a long time, but I just never again spent the money because Tatcha is expensive, but I also bought this with my friend's discount. This one comes with the Deep Cleanse, the Silk Canvas makeup primer, the water cream, and the Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. I'm actually really happy that I bought this. I actually kind of like the products. I feel like I still need more time to try it out, but so far it's been working for me. I feel like I might just buy the full size of the water cream because it is made for oily skin. I just wanted to try it out first and make sure that it didn't break my skin out. And then the last product I got from Sephora is the Eylure Henrikson Banana Bright Eye Cream. I really like that it has that yellow undertone. I was hoping that it would give my eyes like a little bit of coverage during the day, but it doesn't. And honestly, I don't notice anything special with it, but it gets the job done, and it does not like give me the little bumps underneath my eyes, because there have been some eye creams that I use and I get like the milia. So that one has been getting the job done, and you know, I don't mind it. Next up, I have some products from Fresh, and I actually really love Fresh. I feel like their products feel so fresh, like they literally feel fresh. I've been using their strawberry exfoliator and I'm almost out of it, but I really love it. I actually haven't tried out these products yet. They are still new, but they were sent to me and I do plan on trying them. This one is the Youth Preserve Moisturizer, the Lotus Youth Preserve Dream Face Cream, and this one is more for nighttime. Lotus Youth Preserve Eye Cream. So next up is the Thayer's Facial Toner in the scent Rose Petal. I stopped using this back in 2018. I was out of it and I just never repurchased. I don't really know why. Alright, and then the last product is this called ZitSticka, and I actually received this in the mail. I've never heard of this brand before. I decided to go on their website and learn a little bit more about it, and it's actually really cool. So I only have one treatment left, which I'm kind of sad about because this is kind of expensive. It's $30 and you get 8 treatments. It's literally a zit sticker. It's a zit killer sticker. And it's like this little circle that you put on like a pimple that is growing. But you have to make sure you put it on like before the pimple like comes out of your skin, if that makes sense. You can feel a pimple that's right about to surface. You would put this on. It comes with like a cleaner, and this has salicylic acid, tea tree oil, vitamin E, and alcohol. You clean your skin off and then you put the little thing on. I actually really like it. Like, it has prevented. I've used a few and I also use them on my husband, and again, you just have to make sure that you use it right before it like surfaces. Alright you guys, so that is it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye.